Welcome. If you're looking to disable the Participate in Parties feature on the Roblox app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through every step so you can take full control over your privacy and communication settings on Roblox. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open on your PC. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, look towards the bottom or side of your screen for the More icon. This icon usually appears as 3 dots or lines. Click on it to reveal a menu with different options. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your Roblox experience. Here, you'll see several tabs, but what you want is the one labeled Privacy and Content Restrictions. Click on that to open up all the privacy-related options. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Communication. This is where Roblox lets you manage who can interact with you in different ways. Within this section, you'll see an option for Party. Click on Party to access the specific settings for party participation. Under the Party setting, you'll notice a drop-down menu or a list of options. Here, you can choose who is allowed to invite you to parties or participate with you in party features. To completely disable this, select No One. This ensures that nobody can invite you to parties, giving you a more private and controlled experience while using Roblox. After you've made your selection, make sure to save your changes if prompted. That's it. You've now successfully disabled party participation on the Roblox app for PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Roblox with your new privacy settings.